Hey there, home cooks. Ready to take your kitchen game to the next level? I've got 20 cooking hacks that will make you go, why didn't I think of that? Let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Ever struggle to peel garlic? Whack the clove with the side of a knife and watch that skin fall off like magic? No more garlic-scented fingers. Number 2, boiling water but hate waiting. Toss a wooden spoon across the top of the pot to prevent those pesky boilovers. No more pasta waterfall. On to hack 3. Sick of crying over onions? Freeze them for 10 minutes before chopping. Your tear ducts will thank you. Hack 4. Running out of brown sugar? Mix white sugar with a bit of molasses and bam! You've got yourself some DIY brown sugar. Number 5. Ever had trouble squeezing a lemon? Roll it on the counter first to get the most juice with the least effort. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hack 6. Struggling with a slippery cutting board? Place a damp towel underneath. Stability achieved. Thank me later. Moving on to hack 7. Want a quick way to soften butter? Grate it. It melts faster and mixes like a dream. Hack 8. Need room temperature eggs but forgot to take them out? Submerge them in warm water for a few minutes. Problem solved. Number 9. Tired of your avocados browning? Store them with an onion. The sulfur helps keep them green. Science. Hack 10. Struggling to peel a potato? Boil it first, then plunge it into ice water. The skin practically falls off. Halfway there with hack 11. Want perfect bacon? Bake it on a cooling rack over a baking sheet. Crispy and less greasy. You're welcome. Hack 12. Need buttermilk for a recipe? Mix milk with a bit of vinegar or lemon juice and let it sit for 5 minutes. Instant buttermilk. Number 13. Ever oversalt your dish? Toss in a potato to absorb the excess salt. Just remember to fish it out before serving. Hack 14. For fluffier pancakes, add a bit of club soda to the batter. You'll thank me at breakfast. Hack 15. Keep your herbs fresh by storing them in a jar with a bit of water like a bouquet. They'll last much longer. Number 16. Need to zest a lemon? Use a cheese grater for a quick and easy solution. Hack 17. Reheat pizza in a skillet, not the microwave. You'll get a crispy crust instead of a soggy one. Hack 18. To stop bananas from browning, wrap the stems in plastic wrap. They'll stay fresh longer. Number 19. Pre-cut apples are browning too quickly. Soak them in a bit of salt water, rinse, and they won't taste salty. And finally, hack 20. Keep your cake fresh by placing a slice of bread on top of it. The bread will get stale, but your cake won't. There you have it, folks. 20 cooking hacks to make your time in the kitchen easier and more fun. If you enjoyed these tips, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more kitchen wisdom. Happy cooking.